Okay, so I got my strips all cut out. So I don't know a good way to show you here, but and I may end up having to cut some more. I don't know, but anyway, so they're 2.5-inch strips, and it's the length of the or width of the fabric, and I just cut 2.5-inch strips. And my first piece, which is going to be this one, this is the hearth of the log cabin, and that's what this is. So all of them will have this as a centerpiece. Okay, and then my first piece that I'm going to attach to the hearth is going to be this piece. So they'll end up side by side. All right, and I'm just going to chain piece a bunch of these and get those done. I'm not sure how many squares I'm going to need yet, so this is kind of just, well, we'll find out. And it's like a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I think mine's probably just a little bit more than that, but as long as you're consistent, that's what matters. It's just good. Don't you love it when that happens? Thread came unthreaded. Okay. And I'm just gonna you don't have to worry about back stitching because there's going to be plenty of stitching over the top. They'll interlock, so you don't have to worry about that. This is called chain stitching. It makes putting things together a lot easier, quicker. And these when you have directional fabric, sometimes you really need to be careful how you place things, or otherwise you'll have them going in opposite directions maybe than what you want. But I'm not worried about whether they're this way or this way. It's going to be different. They're just going to be a bunch of different random however. So, but if you do have directional fabric and you do care, then you need to pay attention to that. Okay, so I'm just going to get these sewed, and I'll be back with you when I'm done with that. It's busy work.